What's up guys? ASUS is launching its new series of smartphone ROG Phone 7 Pro. ROG Phone 7 design is similar to the predecessor. The smartphone got a chipset of Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, which is the most powerful chipset. And to give more power to this handset, has a 3.2 GHz octa-core processor to make the device ultra fast. And also there is a GPU of Adreno 740. The display screen size of the smartphone is 6.7 inches and it will provide the user with HDR10 plus. The resolution of 1080 by 2448 pixels. The device will be fueled with a non-removable 6000 mAh battery that will carry support for fast charging. The smartphone is using Corning Gorilla Glass Victus for protection purposes. This handset will be paired with a 16 GB of RAM. The internal storage capacity is 512 GB. The handset and AMOLED touchscreen display with 165 Hz refresh rate. Device is having an under-display optical fingerprint reader. There will be a triple camera setup back of the phone and selfie shooter will be single camera. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.